Hi, this is Brother Sean with eLearning Brothers. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to use our PowerPoint layout templates in iSpring. I have the library open right now, and I just wanted to kind of show you some of the PowerPoint templates that we had available for our layouts that would work with iSpring. But I also want to show you how to open those up in iSpring, how to insert your content, how to add and remove slides, as well as how to change the coloring and rebrand these templates to fit your needs. So out in the library, if you go out to Layouts and then PowerPoint Layouts, that's the page I'm looking at right now. You'll notice that there's lots of templates out here, a lot of different designs, different concepts. And I've already pre-downloaded one of these templates, and so I'm going to go ahead and just show you how to open that up. So I've got our PowerPoint interface opened up right now, and as we all know that iSpring is an add-on to PowerPoint, you'll notice that we have our iSpring tags links up here also. So first thing I'm going to do is just simply open up the file. So I can just go to File, Open, and I just need to navigate to my computer to wherever I downloaded that file. And here's my template that I downloaded. It's just a PowerPoint file, and I'm going to click Open. Give that a second to load up. All right, and there it goes, loaded up. So you'll notice that there's a lot of different layouts over here on the left in the thumbnail view. You'll notice that the screen is pre-populated now with some of the graphics and the look and the feel of the template that I downloaded. And first thing I'm going to show you how to do is how to just insert your own content. Very self-explanatory. I mean, all you need to do is just double-click and just add your own content into the pre-populated text boxes. Very simple. I mean, if you're working from a storyboard, maybe a Word doc, I mean, you could just copy and paste your text in and really just use these layouts, and it'd be a very simple and very clean process for you. Lots of different layout options here. If you wanted to add like an image in here, let's say you had some text and you copied and pasted a big paragraph of text over here, we could just slide this box over, and then maybe we want to put an image right here. So we can just go over to Insert, Pictures, and then navigate to the picture you want to insert. I already downloaded one of our cutout people characters. This is our Melanie character. And we can just put Melanie right in here. Resize or crop her however you feel like you need to. But we could just put her right inside, and now she's kind of the one that's going to be explaining the content over here for our learners. So very simple to add your own content and reposition things in these templates. Next I want to show you how to add and remove slides. Most of the templates just out of the box when you first download it are pre-populated with potentially up to 100 or maybe a little more than 100 slides, as this one has 112. Those are all added in as individual slides here. But I'm going to go ahead and just delete all of them except for one, because those are just really put in there just to show you examples of everything that's there. The way that these templates are actually made are made using slide masters. So if you wanted to insert a new slide, you could go Insert New Slide, and it pulls in all of our master slides that are developed. So now I can be very strategic as to which ones I want. So maybe I want to have like an objectives page, since it's the beginning of my course. I could use this slide right here. There's maybe 3 objectives. I think that'd be a good spot to kind of hold those. That way I could say, Module 1, the objective is this, and write in all the description. And then you just kind of start building your course using this method. Going out here and selecting exactly which slides you think would hold that content the best based off of your storyboard. If you want to remove slides, very simple. I mean, just right click on it and delete slide, or just hit delete. Reposition them however you want to. Alright, next thing I want to show you how to do is how to really change the colors and modify the layouts that are there. You'll notice that on this view that we have right now, really we can reposition and add text to it. If you want to reposition or move these white boxes or even the blue boxes down here, the way you do that is to go into the master slide. So we're going to go into View, and then go into Slide Master. And you'll notice over on the left, this is all of our 112 slides for this particular template. So we can go to any one of these and pick the one that we want to modify. And rather, actually, before we actually go and modify these individual slides, let's go up to the main master slide. That's the very first one up here that's a little bit bigger in size. This is the one that controls the background texture, the background color for every slide. You'll notice if you click on it, a lot of them have like what we call as a texture slide. This one has a very, very soft grain type texture. And then below that is the color slide. So if you want to change the color of your slide, you can come out here, double click on it, and then just choose a new color. Or if you want to do a gradient, that's what's already on it. But for this example, let's just kind of change it to whatever color we feel it would be nice, it'd be neat. So let's just do a tan color, and then I'm going to move that texture right back into place. And you'll notice now as we go through the rest of these slides, they all inherited that same color. Now let's say we want to change the blue color maybe on these little banners that pop out. Same technique, whether it's a gradient or if you just want to use a flat color, that'd be fine. You'll notice that on this particular one, there's also these little corner effects. And I want to pick the similar color but make it darker so it kind of pops out. And that's how we're starting to rechange and rebrand this template. If you are changing the pop banners, you will need to do it for each one of the slides that you're using, as there's no kind of cascading style sheets for PowerPoint. So you just have to go to each slide and kind of update the ones that you want to change the look and feel. The other great thing is too is maybe this slide is close to what you want, but you want to make it just a little bit different. You could just easily come out here, right click on it, and go duplicate layout. And now there's a copy of it made. And then you can come out here and just really build another layout that fits your needs even better. Maybe this one just is barely off and you want to make these things a little bit bigger. So you can see you can just go out here, modify these layouts, make new ones, and then as you go back into your course, you could then add those in as a new slide, and it just makes your layout template even more robust and more personalized for you. Anyways, that's how you use our PowerPoint layout templates in iSpring. I hope this has been helpful for you. Thanks again for watching.